Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Pass Question 41. Hydrogen diffuses through a porous plug dash as oxygen. A. At the same rate. B. 5 times as fast. C. 4 times as fast. D. Thrice as fast. And E. Twice as fast. So now this question is just trying to compare the rate of diffusion of hydrogen to that of oxygen. And like we know, the rate of diffusion according to Graham's law of diffusion. According to Graham's law of diffusion, the rate of diffusion of gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the density. Also, you can say to the square root of the masses. Now, 1 mole of hydrogen gas, 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to, has 2 atoms of hydrogen, so the mass is 2 gram. Then likewise 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen will carry what? 2 atoms of oxygen. That's to form 1 molecule of oxygen, and that is what? 2 times 16, which is equals to 32 grams. Now from Graham's law we have that what? The rate of diffusion of hydrogen all over rate of diffusion of oxygen is equal to the square root of the molar mass of oxygen all over molar mass of hydrogen. So from this we have that what? RH all over RO, now this is the rate of diffusion of hydrogen and this is the rate of diffusion of oxygen, is equal to square root of 32 all over 2, and this is equal to the square root of 16, and this is equals to 4. So therefore hydrogen will diffuse what? 4 times as fast as oxygen, and that is option C, 4 times as fast as oxygen. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.